to address you majorly on 3 issues. Number 1, I wanted to give you an update on our brothers and sisters, our comrades who are in prison, the political prisoners and those who are missing. Many brothers and sisters are still missing. Those that have been returned have been gravely tortured, beaten, and some don't even have the confidence to give a recount of what they've gone through. Baba bonyabonyeza, baba tutubunyiza, baba kudemu enjala, baba kubye nnyo. Banji batya n'okwogera kubanga baba tiisa. Abalala baganda baffe nga bwe mmanyi bali makomera n'abalala bangi bali Kitalya, including Nubian Lee, Eddie Mutwe, Tawa, Mowa, Dog City, Mbogo, Sheriff Naja. So many brothers and sisters are there. We are doing everything possible to have them free. We are using all legal means to get freedom for these our brothers and sisters. We petitioned the Court of Appeal. We petitioned the court martial to ensure that these people get bail. We know that they have no crime. Tebaina musango gwebaza naye era mumanyi bulungi nnyo nti mu regime nga ya Museveni bagezaako kubakozesa nga bargain. The regime is trying to use these people as a bargain tool to hold us on ransom. Bamanyi nti baba tunyigirizanga bakute baganda baffe, bamanyi nti baslowinga down emirimu gyaffe, bamanyi nti ne families nazo bagezaako kuzinafeya. We have been visiting them in Nakwezise, nze ne Joel Senyonyi ne Secretary General waffe David Lewis batugana okudamu okukyalira banaffe bano abali Kitalya. Lwaki? Kubanga tuogera amazima ku mbeera gye bayitamu. But again, we cannot hide the truth. These people are not in good conditions. They should be in better conditions. Tebakirizibwa kusoma bitabo ebyo bikwata ku Uganda, bagamba ebyo bya bufuzi. Imagine the constitution. Omusibe ali mukomera takirizibwa kusoma bitabo bya mateeka, takirizibwa kusoma constitution, takirizibwa kusoma bitabo ebigula abantu obwongo. So now you know nti buli dictator bwaberanga afuba so much to ensure that he keeps you in the dark and puts a fence around your mind. We pray for them. These are brothers and sisters. We thank all of you that have gone to visit them. They are not short of visitors. Yes, babera bagala kuva mukomera bakoyeyo kyekituufu. It's been now more than 3 months. Naye twebaza mwena ababakyalira ne mbabeereramu. Era njagala kino kibalage nti Museveni kati alwana naba ordinary people. He's fighting with ordinary people. He's not fighting with intellectuals anymore. He's fighting with babas like Eddie Mutwe. He's fighting with music producers like Dan Magic. He's fighting with singers like Nubian Lee, with club bouncers, with young men and young women. He's fighting with border riders. He's fighting with the hawkers like Bobby Young. So Museveni is naked. But again, I'm very glad, and the world is glad, and the nation as Uganda, we are glad that there's massive awakening of the people. Now the people of Uganda have taken on the struggle by themselves. I want to thank all of you that have been protesting and demanding for the release of these our people. Even just today, our brothers and sisters in South Africa were protesting. We salute you, brothers and sisters. We salute you all over the world. And here in Uganda, those that have showed up to protest in different ways. I'm also protesting right now. For the release of political prisoners. But again, I know that many of you have devised means of protesting. I've been driving around town. I see people having stickers on their cars. I see posters around. I even see some graffiti demanding for the release of political prisoners. I want to encourage you, go on and protest in all legal and non-violent ways. Non-violence works. Pressure works. I want to thank the legal team. Our legal team has done so much to ensure that these our people come out. Thank you very much. I want to thank the brothers and sisters in the diaspora that have continued to support the families and relatives of the incarcerated comrades. We cannot handle it. I can't handle it alone. You can't handle it alone as NUP. But you have taken the responsibility to ensure that these people don't go hungry while they are breadwinners.
We are studio. We are against
I also want in a very special way to thank those that run about
omanyi yetamali mirungi nga bwe yiwana nti yasoma
propaganda making sure that
and diversion
papers are processed.
Museveni yamukozesa nnyo omusajja kituufu omwana bamukubye tetugenda ganda naye omusajja yafuniddeko oluwenda olw'okuwugula bannayuganda bonna atujje ku mulamwa. Musooke muwulirize mu history wa Africa eddiini gye bayita African Traditional Religion gegamu ku maddiini agasinga ebitiibwa. Kyova olaba oli ne wabeera ne kayirizige tosobola kumulaga kalaba. Kyova olaba oli ne waba nti alina esaboli lyasingira ddala okweka kabeeranga oba alikwekera ddala nga bitundu bya kyamu. Kati bannange oŋŋamba otya nti tamala emirundi esinya yabaddemu nsabo ebyagamba simanyi alina abantu be abatambala simanyi engatto simanyi oteekayo 3,000 simanyi biki n'atwalayo kamera. Sajja bano batuvuga kati omuye ali ku kintu kimu. Nze mukulaba okwangu omusajja ono ayinza okuba nga abadde aluzinze following kati ng'ali mu kufuna following. Manyi bano abasajja be balidde mu Uganda kubanga bo abasajja bali bagenda ne bakwata ne babakusa ne batafaayo ku nnaku ya muntu. Tunula mutabani wa mirundi kituufu bamukuba naye laba ddwaliro mwali naye muganda wange oba munauganda tunulira abaana wansi mu byalo ojjukira wali abawambi bawuli abakulu abatasobola kwafoodinga yadde ne panada naye laba waliwo abazadde abakabira ku zitiivi abaana baabwe tebabalaba naye musajja mukulu ali wano awaga simanyi jambiya simanyi nyondo ntambula ne asidi simanyi mayinja simanyi ezaani ndi musamize simanyi ndi mulogo njokubasula eddalu tulabe kati ffenna tutandise kusharinga ebyo tugoberera ebyo tukomentinga ebyo.
Hang in there. Let's keep going. Let's keep fighting. We are certainly going to overcome. We are certainly going to, overwhelm this.
But still,
stay strong. Stay focused. Stay prayerful. Stay believing. Keep faith.
But the gist in the matter is
we shall overcome. Now my third point, and very importantly, I want to
is versing mirundi kubanga waliwo debate y'amaanyi ey'obuspeaker era singa Nakabira nsuubira yali ayiseemu kano akalumu ndowooza yadiganyiza ku baspeaker ate lwakuba bannange abasajja bano batufugidde mu bintu by'okutuzaaza mbabazi we yavaayo oli Nakabira ali kusaidia mbabazi naye kati mu kiseera kino Nakabira n'omubakuba akalulu alikulaganya nti atayagala nnyo palamenti eya gisitesi neweebuuza Uganda mwabikoyi abasajja abaasoma bayivu bali mu palamenti naye tebasobola kuyamba nsi. Njagala tutunulire enkaliriza ensonga ya mutabani wa Tamale ne Tamale mirundi ye mwennyini envuga yamukuvuga maki okitabaira nnyo ayagala kutuvuga bwatyo kati nga bwewulidde leero nti ate simanyi abalamuzi simanyi bakozi biki oli agaanye ono akoze ki nze ndabanga komedi omuntu omala yenayina observation ye ate yatewakanyizibwa naye ngabona abantu ensi batulyamu olukwe batulyamu olukwe era munauganda bona nawe naali
to see us fight each other. Our comrades are not in prison to see us fight each other. No. Why do I say that it is Museveni's effort to divide us? Because it only works for you. You brothers and sisters know that every time we fight against each other, we are making it easy for Museveni. We are making it harder for ourselves and therefore for the people of Uganda. So, if you are in the struggle, why do you allow yourself to be a tool of division? Why do you allow yourself to be a tool of diverting? Why do you allow yourself to be a tool of derailing us? I've said it many times that anybody whose words and actions are speeding up the Uganda is our no matter what party they come from, no matter who they are. And anybody whose words and actions are actually keeping Museveni in power and keeping the people of Uganda slaves, that person is an enemy. No matter who they are, no matter what party they come from, no matter what their school of thought. Because this is a freedom struggle. And whoever is fighting for freedom is an ally. I mean, ask yourself,
we should all share the same emotions.
Anybody invest so much time and resources to ensure that we are divided. You know, we wake up every day, like we say, to make sure at the end of that day, we can stop it and say, photos. So, ebigambo biba bigala struggle, biba bitugatta, biba byanguwa okugwakwa nakyemalira.
Twawulirayo basajja bakulu nga bakola
ebintu bwe biba tebitusala speed, bwe biba bitwalabulamu bwawuzi, bwe biba bibisawo nakyemalira ne bubirani
naye bano abasajja abamu bayinza okuba bali ku diversion.
twabagamba nga nti tujja mulabira ku bikolwa era
kyagala kufaanagana ne diversion.
We shall see everybody by their actions. So, brothers and sisters, it is important that we focus. Very, very important. Otherwise, we will be seen by the people as, prolonging the stay of the regime. You cannot claim that you support Kyagulanyi, but you say, no, you're fighting everybody around Kyagulanyi. I mean, what I stand for is what the people that I work with stand for. So you cannot claim that you're supporting me when you're trying to destroy every support around me. This is what dictators do. They first attack everybody around you so that they isolate you, and ultimately they will attack you as a target. So, nchidamu kino mu Luganda kuba njagala mbeere very clear nti tosobola kugamba tino wagira Kyagulanyi naye ate ngulumbagana buli yeetoolodde Kyagulanyi obanga agamba nti oyagala support system yonna eyambako okutambuza emirimu gye tutambuza osooka ogijjewo then mbeere nga ndi alone. Ze nga bagamba, this is not about Kyagulanyi as an individual. It is about all of us. You support me because of what I represent. Therefore, you support the people that I work with because of what they represent. And the day anybody, including you, my brother, and myself, when we change what we are talking about, then we will also become enemies of the struggle, including you. So it's very, very important that we remind each other about this. We must look at things directly. Amazima tugogere, ira tugalabe. But most importantly, let us not allow to be diverted, brothers and sisters. Museveni fights in crude ways. Ye bwatu balwana tekikwewunyisa kulaba nti omuntu mulala muyita wabuli